here it is, my new car, the one that replaced the Anonymous. It's this one. It's another RT, 2014, of course. It's white. That's what it looks like currently, but that's not gonna last super long. But I already upgraded some things. I did the wheels and the center caps. I did this and tints, of course. LED side markers and this rear spoiler wing. And yeah, it's not gonna look like this for super long. Not gonna wrap it, it's gonna stay white, but it's gonna change a little bit of the look. This is the interior. So yeah, exhaust coming. I have other little goodies. I'm gonna make more videos on it, but this is what it looked like currently. And yeah, not gonna stay like this for super long. Thank you guys.